Today, we're gonna open our silver play button.
Yan, ito guys, na-receive na namin siya. Samahan nyo kami ni Ethan guys mag-unboxing itong aming silver play button. Thank you so much guys sa lahat na nag-support dun sa aming short video para ma-reach namin yung 100k. 100k! Okay, let's do unboxing guys.
Okay.
Okay, kuya. Okay. Dahil na-reach na namin yung 100k, kaya meron kaming silver play button. Tara, buksan na natin. Excited na kayo? Excited ka na, kuya?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna open another one here. We're gonna open. Let's open it. Wala si Yumi guys nasa Paibakuti siya. So, kami na lang ni kuya para walang gulo. Tadaan! So, open namin to. Wala kasi kaming stand ng phone. Wow! Ano nakalagay? Mommy will read it. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with greatly care by Rick. O, diba guys? And then, we have here a certificate. Anong nakalagay sa certificate? Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100, and your 1,000 subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learn about your through a friend, or maybe you shown up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audiences stayed at their numbers and increased because of you and the community you built. We're proud to honor you to impressive milestone of reaching 100k subscriber with a Silver Creator Award. Congratulations! Yay! Thank you sa pagbibigay sa amin ng award na to. Ayan. Ito na siya guys, oh. Kita ko sa inyo. Ito natin. Yan. Ganun na pala siya kaliit, kuya. Ayan. Open it. No, you just pull it like this. It's open under. Ayan. O, diba guys, o. The 100. Uy, ang ganda, oh. May salamin. Presented to Ethan Yumi TV for passing the 100 subscriber YouTube. Ayan. Ano sasabihin mo?
Thank you, guys, for like and subscribing.
Continue to support our
YouTube
channel. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.